backwards. You gotta at least try to take a step forward. Yes. Hi, Mom. I don't. Get up. Good girl. Good. Keep walking. Keep him walking. Keep him walking. Slow your head down.
What's training?
That's training.
That's a harder question than that, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, screw through that one. Okay, cut that.
Yeah.
Good job, Sean. Good, Sean. See if you can pick up a little canter and can it through the water. Like, go out a little bit and come in your 2 points.
Can we like try cantering in for something?
This is fun as shit.
Isn't this awesome?
This is fun. I can't tell you how much fun I'm having, Gammon.
Well, good. I'm glad. Good. Look where you're going.
And I could tell Kim is too, because she's not even saying I want to go back to the car or anything. She's standing around just loving it all.
Good, Sean. Now, canter. Come on. Come on. Go, Gracie. Go. Kick. Don't give up. 2 points. Go. Canter out. Go on. Come on. Good try. Try it again. Come on. Let's get her going. Good job, Corey. There you go. done a water jump before.
Yeah, it's amazing how he takes a while, but then he gets it pretty quick.
Maddie, keep coming to the right. Turn right. Other right.
We have a water jump before.
Get her back together. Make her turn now. That's a girl. Maddie, I want you to come through the water. And now
What do you think, Chief?
roll top.
Good job, Tori. Good job.
Super.
One thing I do love about this horse is he might have trouble doing it the first time, but the
come on,
second he
get it going.
understands it, then he's got it.
He's got it. Right, exactly.
The second he understood those jumps, he jumped and then he was fine.
Right.
Well done, Sean. Super. Let her walk.
Oh, I got the cutest picture of them.
Yay. You good with that, Maddie?
Are we having fun?
All right, Maddie, right now, right through there. I want her to turn in the water. I don't want her to give you any problems. So make her turn in the water, and then when you land, you're gonna turn left. There, go on. Let her go. Woo! Turn left. Make her turn.
Tori, is Megan from your stable?
Girl,
Megan?
keep turning.
Meg? Yeah.
Meg, yes.
And see, Kristen, how even just thinking about turning is what's getting her to get her back, even if I can't actually turn her. But if she gives up on it, then the mare's got to be one for you. Why don't you come through the water to the little roll top? And again, keep him thinking, keep him busy, and then Meg, it's all you.
I don't know if Cassie's coming around this way or not.
Keep his feet busy, even in the water. Oh, what a good boy! Super! All right, Meg. Good ride. Really good ride. She's a tough person. Let me tell you, she's a tough person. That little man needs to get sent up on her. Good, keep him in front of your leg here. Hands together so he understands what you want. Well ridden! Good for you, Meg. Let's turn around and come back the other way.
Mom, look at the mulch that Ricky put around his neck.